Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the second crisis wave of coronavirus, and the crisis happened. You know about all. Then India logged over 3 lakhs daily cases in last 24 hours. However, just about 1.5 months before, there were only 14,000 daily cases. Something went drastically wrong because the sudden avalanche of cases had led to an acute shortage of oxygens, medicine beds, and even oxygens in the hospitals. We may go back to business as usual as soon as the current surge is over, but a moment of self realizations and introspection is urgently needed before we go to sleep peacefully after shifting all the blames on our political leaders. And while we are witnessing the surge all over, we need to pause for a moment and think the current situations not of our own making. So last month I was in Ahmedabad, and I booked a ticket for India versus England, and unfortunately the match was they're not allowing inside everyone, so because the cases were raised. Uh, so I saw, even visited some of the markets also there, but I had casually wondered whether all these peoples were immune or just considered themselves immune, and we now realize it were self irresponsibility and carelessness, the result of which is abundantly clear. A section of society even believe that Indians have higher immunity than because of expose of the common cold virus. Several articles were floating over our supernet like immunity to the virus, and attempting to explain the miraculous vaccinating of the virus from the Indian hinterland. As is now apparent, all those theories had no basic. Let this sink in while we stare at the loss of countless fellow Indians. We are not stronger or more immune than any other race because of our ability to live a hard life. We certainly don't have better immunity just because the common cold is more prevalent in India. Prevalent in India.
Aku just terus itu aku yang kecil bukan segmen. Dua kali kita waktu itu sampai muatur si paling muatur musuh aku dah lagi. Betul. Itu apa tu kita lulus kita thanks. Betul. तो पहले तक पकड़ को क्वालिटी को समझ इसके चलते 318 रन बना पाई सीएसके जो कि सबसे ज्यादा हाईएस्ट है आईपीएल में मुंबई के खिलाफ कप्तान के 219 का चलते हैं 22 विकेट टाइप स्टेशन बना रहे चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस की स्पीड और अंदाज नहीं बदला 2020 साथ में आते रहे 2021 साथ में मारते वो संघर्ष उड़ रही है टीम आप कितने हीरो सॉल्व करोगे हर बार हर नंबर पे तो मैं आई हो सकता है चेन्नई के सुपर टीम से मुंबई की टॉप 2 पे मुंबई के वापसी उसके बाद हम लोग की राइड हुई ये लाजवाब फिनिश जो परेशानी है कि नहीं है कप्तान रोहित शर्मा को डिफेंडिंग चैंपियन के कप्तान चले गए थे लोग बहुत देखने वाले और उसे थोड़ा सी पीछे हटा और वो भी चला चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस मतलब पिछले साल इस हताश थे इस बार साथ में बात बता रहे हम दोनों इसका मैच फिनिश प्रयास ही करना आदत बना रही है
So in this lockdown dieting over, I ordered some biryani here. It's from the engineer's kitchen, and okay taste biryani. Okay, enjoy.
मैच के क्रिकेटिंग पॉइंट लेकिन एक खास बनाया आपके लिए सिक्स पॉइंट
Taste good? Huh? Average. Good.
For the taste is average, but as for you can go for the quantity, then it's.
So in my point of view, stay at home, and still here now the lockdowns happen. So don't take any risk, stay immune, and I don't want to discuss about the shit happen, and stay positive, don't watch that much news, and waiting for the good moment when come. Okay, thank you, like and subscribe my channel, and until the next visit when the lockdowns open, thank you very much.